Yeah. Dear Slim. No. Dear, I wrote you, but you still. Dear Eminem, it's chaos. Enough is enough, now you hurting my feelings, homie. I thought that you promised that after we battle, you tell the whole world that you really love me. I'm sorry you said that your beard's weird. Sorry I went and called Diddy. But lately it's like you will not even snuggle me, hug me, or touch me, or kiss me.
I'm sorry, MGK, but lately you've been kinda rude. And if I'm being honest, I just cannot date that kind of dude. You never take me roller skating, never buy me shoes. All you do is fuck me once and take me out for Chinese food. And at the table, you just stare down at your Samsung. I'm sorry that I made fun of your man bun, but damn, hun, you used to have me open like a Swiss Army. Now you just harm me. I hate the rap devil. Where's my Prince Charming?
Oh, you wanna try to complain that I never wanna take you on a date? Well, last time I tried that shit, homie, you was like 30 minutes late. And you were showing off your cleavage, flirting with the bartender. Plus, I went through your phone. Why the fuck you reinstalled Tinder? Kales.
I read you like an almanac and eat you like an almond snack and fuck you at the ramen shack until the condom crack. And I'm a cock to get and shoot a hole up in your stocking cap, cause you was sucking Yellow Wolf's cock in back of a Pontiac.
I ain't cheating with Yella, I'm just cheating with Diddy. And you can't say shit about it, cause you been sleeping with 50. I thought we battled just for fun, just for therapy. Why you gotta make that kill shot song and embarrass me?
Oh Jesus Christ, girl, you started it. I never wanted part of it. Why is everything a fucking argument? I don't wanna argue now, but you never do the dishes, never take the garbage out.
Man, stop it, Marshall, wow. You really hurt my feelings, I cannot feel joy or smile. I used to be a fucking party kid, a boy that's wild. But all you do these days is hang with your new joiner pal. Plus Royce is foul, I heard that he's your boyfriend now.
Look, I probably shouldn't say this, but it's worth revealing. But when you said my beard was weird, it hurt my feelings.
Well, I apologize, Eminem, let's talk about it.
Okay, let's talk about it. By the way, I like your outfit. The leather pants really hug onto your thighs. That choke chain really brings out the color of your eyes. I hate it when we fight, Kales. I love that you're my guy.
Let's kiss and make up, Eminem, and then go and get some fries, Kales.